Do you crack your neck to relieve stiffness? Here's what you need to know. While it might feel good in the moment, constant neck cracking can actually weaken your joints and increase instability over time. Here's a safer way to relieve tension. Number 1, neck roll. Slowly roll your head in a circle, stopping if you feel any pain. Number 2, upper trap stretch. Hold onto the chair with your hand and bring your ear to the opposite shoulder. You're going to feel that stretch right here in your neck. And number 3, a chin tuck. Push your chin back and hold for 5 seconds to strengthen those deep neck flexors. These exercises give the same relief without the risk of cracking. Follow for more tips.